again. Welcome back to my vlog of Life on Standby. So it's been over a month that I came on and did a vlog. In between that time, I had my last Red Devil chemo drug. After that, I had 2 more cycles of chemo to complete, which were the Cytoxin, which was fine. Everything went well with that. As you know, with the Cytoxin, I may have a burning nose sensation, which I did again, and I did not take the Louisa, which was good. I also did get a surgery update. I got a surgery date, I got a surgery date for November, and then I got my radiation, which will follow, which will be for 6 weeks. So I'm going into November to have surgery, and I want to say by the end of December I should be finished. Going into January, I should be finished my radiation treatments. Other than that, the side effects hasn't been that bad. It's just the second week. I'm just a little tired and my legs hurt. It's not a bad hurt as it was before, so I still do take the Claritin for the bone pain, and I'm not as tired, so I'm able to do a little bit more, but once I get the moving, it exhausts me. So I have that burst of energy. I'm able to do it because I don't feel as tired, but once I get moving, it takes a lot. In between all that time, with this month, within a month, I did take a trip to New Orleans to see my mother, and it was a blast. That is Thelma and Louise. She likes to go to the pull bar shop, so that was a plus for her. So she was able to drive some, because at the time I do have the neuropathy, so my foot is swollen. So I did that. I was able to see my son and my daughter. My daughter drove me to New Orleans, so I was able to see my son, and that was a nice trip. And also we did, in between this time, I am currently on vacation in St. Lucia, and it is beautiful here. It's been raining off and on certain days, but other than that, that's the update on what's going on. So for the next 2 months, I will be on standby, completely standby, where I won't be doing anything, because I feel like mentally, physically, and emotionally, I need to rest. So check out my blog on my St. Lucia blog, and check out my other channel, which is a vlog channel with me and my husband. We do travel videos over there. We also do cooking videos over there. So we will start back up with that once January hit, or he may do a Christmas video or something like that, or Thanksgiving, something like that. So if you haven't already, hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. And I will also go back into doing a few videos, beauty videos, if you're interested in that. I do thank you for watching, and you have a great day.